Barbara Walters. Just hold my camera out like this. Alright, this is a video going to YouTube. This is the 5 train. Secret video on the 5 train. Let's see what's really going on back here. How you doing, by the way?
Silly.
This is going right on YouTube.
You got me up there.
I think I'm scared.
I'm scared for you.
I had to pee, really, I do.
You could be up here. I can be up.
But there's so many watchers. Everybody's around watching and shit. Should I pee up here? Ain't nobody else come up here with us? I can't. There's too many observers. I'd rather back in the water.
You can't do it?
Sorry, Cam, I can't do it.
How you
doing?
How you doing? I couldn't do it.
This is too scary. Alright, I'm leaving the 5 train. I can't do it. I can't do it.